Natural detoxes. If you look at the root of what a detox is, you will find that it is natural in nature. You are ridding your body of the toxins and chemicals that it has acquired through pollution, processed foods, and chemical prescription medications. It would only make sense that if you are to choose a detox, you choose a natural one. There are many different programs out there touting a specific pill or drug to help you detox. In reality, the best way to get rid of the toxins is to do it how your body naturally was meant to. Here are the 4 most popular natural detoxes. Simple fruit and veggie detox. During this detox, which usually lasts around 7 days, you consume only water, fresh and organic fruits, and vegetables. All fruit juices should be extracted from the fruit through a juicer. Store-bought juices are usually laden with additives and sugars. You can eat your veggies steamed or raw. Smoothie cleanse. Think of the smoothie cleanse as the fruit and veggie cleanse, but all in one glass. There is a plethora of recipes on the internet that help those on the smoothie cleanse to drink specific nutrients and vitamins that the body needs. Luckily, this type of detox is inexpensive and straightforward, and all you need is fresh food and a blender. Juice cleanse. The juice cleanse is very similar to the smoothie cleanse, except that instead of blending your fruits and vegetables, you are juicing them. You can also find some very clean pre-made juices, though they can be pricey. Sugar detox. Some people choose to take the detox process a step at a time. Detoxing yourself of refined sugars is incredibly essential and can be very difficult to do. White sugar has been found to have the same addictive properties as some drugs. If you can detox and withdraw from sugars, the full body detox will be so much easier for you. Whichever you choose to do, make sure you research the process beforehand. And remember, it takes time for a body to completely detox, so try to stay on the system for at least 7 days. Best detox teas. Before, during, and after, detox teas can help keep your body clear of toxins. There are so many different types on the market today that it's hard to keep them all straight. You want to make sure that when you choose one, it is organic and unsweetened. Teas are also great ways to stay hydrated during your cleanse. These are some of the best detox teas on the market. Yogi Detox. Yogi Detox teas are organic and clean. They come in several flavors, including peach and dandelion. The detox tea has burdock and dandelion, which helps strengthen the liver, and juniper berry for purifying the kidneys. Capital Tea's Organic Detox. Capital Tea is grown and manufactured in the United States. Their detox tea is very complex in nature. It begins with a base of green tea, which helps to cleanse. Lemongrass, lemon peel, and lemon oil are added to the tea mixture for taste as well as purifying properties. Last, mango, strawberry, and peppermint infuse the loose leaf tea to help make the tea favorable and balance the strong citrus tastes. Bay Tea 14-Day Detox. This tea was made specifically for those interested in undergoing a tea detox. The tea includes ginger root, senna, rooibos, guarana, oolong, vitamin C, pomegranate, lemon, and honey. This tea is not decaffeinated. It has a strong and spicy taste and helps to push the toxins from the body. The senna leaf acts as a natural laxative. Detox teas can be helpful in and out of a cleanse. Find the one you like the best, but make sure not to add creams and sugars to it during your cleanse. Thanks for watching. Click the link in our video to watch more from Lifestyle Fitness channel, likes and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the latest exclusive videos.